Let's now take a look at the Microsoft Azure Cloud Service. Now, Azure is one of the biggest cloud providers out there alongside Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud Platform. And first of all, before you start using Azure, you should start with activating your subscription. And Azure offers this Azure for Students starter subscription that is suitable for our needs during this course. Now it is important to notice that there is also a subscription called Azure for Students without the starter. That you can also use that, but I recommend to use this Students for Starter since it doesn't have a time limit and credit limit. You can use the Azure for Students in some other courses, for example. So go ahead and activate this Azure for Students starter before starting exploring the Azure. And here you can see the main user interface of Azure. It is located at portal.azure.com. And well, I can first of all show you the subscriptions. Now I have both of the subscriptions that I mentioned, but you should have this Azure for Students starter visible here when you go to the subscription section. And by the way, you can use your LUT student credentials in order to access the Azure platform. You don't need to make a separate account for it. Right, and as you have learned from the theory section of this course, cloud platforms offer computing services over the internet, so there are a lot of different resources available on the Microsoft Azure, but we are mostly interested in the app services that they are offering. And this web app service is the one that we will be using the most. It is a way to, well, like it says here, it's a way to run web applications very effectively straight from this platform. Other important things that you should check out is, well, there is the cost management and billing. Right now, of course, as the subscription is free, you don't need to worry about that, but this is good to check out that everything is okay, and you can do that from here. And you can also customize the view a lot. There is this dashboard view that can be used to manage your different services when you have if you have a lot of services on the cloud platform. It's useful to make this kind of a dashboard in order to overlook the different services. I think these are the most important things right now. Next we will check out the web app service more in detail.